Transform your Wix website from static to dynamic by connecting an external API to a button. First, in the Wix editor, enable developer mode. You'll find this in the top menu under dev mode. This unlocks the ability to add custom code. Next, add a button to your page. Click the plus icon on the left, then choose button and drag it onto your desired location. Customize your button's text to reflect its function, such as get data or fetch information. Adjust the design as you like it. Open the code panel at the bottom of the editor. This is where you'll write the JavaScript code to interact with the API. Create an onClick event handler for the button. This function will execute when the button is clicked. Use the wix-fetch API to make a GET request to your desired API endpoint. Be sure to replace the example URL with the correct API URL. Parse the API response, typically in JSON format, then display the relevant data on your page using a text element or any other suitable element. Update the element's text property with the fetched data. Preview your site to test the button functionality. Click the button and verify that the data is fetched and displayed correctly. Now, get creative. Integrate various APIs to enhance user engagement, providing real-time data, dynamic content, and personalized experiences.